Namaste. My name is Manika and I'm from Uttarakhand. So it's been approximately around 2 years since I'm regular in Gita community. And before that, I was listening to Acharya Ji on YouTube, and for a long time, I was very irregular in Gita sessions. But the time I realized that it's very important to realize the actual self, the I. And when these falseness, these conditions and all that started demolishing, then I saw the clarity which I really wanted to live a life. I'm not saying to live a right life, but then I started to know what is a life. And before that, I didn't have any sensitiveness towards animals or environment, nothing. I was just occupied to myself. But after listening to Acharya Ji, I have started practicing veganism, and apart from that, I have started using many substitutes which can help for environment protection. I am currently pursuing LLB, and apart from that, I am also studying environmental law as a different course. And all it started developing in me a rational thinking which was never there ever in these years of my life, and it has always helped me become a person. Now I'm more inverted towards the freedom, towards fitness and all those things, and the clarity, it came only from the sessions. So I request all of you who are there from YouTube, who just listen to Acharya Ji just from YouTube. So it's not enough. It could never be enough, because the actual thing which you are missing is there in Gita community. So it's very important for you to join the Gita community. And for me being also, I'm listening to Acharya Ji since 3 or 4 years, but this was very first time when I attended an offline session, because I always have that mentality that one day when I'll be capable enough of meeting him in person, then I'll go. But now I realize that day won't come any day. So today I came here at IIT Roorkee, attending him in person and meeting him, and that has a completely different aura. And now I'm very blissful that I attended this session offline, and now that clarity and now that dedication, it has encouraged now. So thank you.